In this video, we'll try to solve simple problems. So let's take this one, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5. What happens here? So this is very simple, the very first law, which is a raised to m into a raised to n. So here bases are same, powers are different, and the exponents are multiplied. So if the exponents are multiplied, then you add the powers. So it will be 2 raised to 3 plus 5, which will be 2 raised to 8. So let's see second example where it is 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 10. So here again we have same base but different powers. In this case it is divided. So here what do? We had this one. So m is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n minus m if n is greater than m. So whichever is greater, you bring the other power to the greater side, which means we bring 7 down and we'll write it as 1 divided by 3 raised to 10 minus 7. So this will be 1 divided by 3 raised to 3. So let's take this example. So here it is combination of multiplication and division. So in this case, let's first simplify the numerator. So it is 4 raised to 6 into 4 raised to 5. Again bases are same, different powers multiplied. So you have to add the power. So it will be 6 plus 5 divided by this 4 raised to 7 as it is. So 4 raised to 6 plus 5 is 4 raised to 11 divided by 4 raised to 7. So 4 raised to 11 divided by 4 raised to 7, if you see, again 11 is greater than 7. So you bring 7 to the top. So when you bring 7 to the top, it becomes subtraction. So it will be 4 raised to 11 minus 7, which will be 4 raised to 4. Simple. So let's take one example. So this is combination of all your laws that you have studied till now. So here first we are having a raised to m whole raised to n form, and then these are multiplied, and further we have a multiplication here, and then further finally it is divided. So let's see in this case what happens. So first we'll apply a raised to m whole raised to n. So a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So let's simplify this part first. So it will be 5 raised to 3 whole raised to 5, so which will be 5 raised to 3 into 5, and remaining terms you can keep it as it is. We can simplify them later. Divided by 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Okay, so let's see this one. What is this? 5 raised to 3 into 5, which will be 5 raised to 15 into 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. So now we have 2 multiplication with same base, here also same base. So in this case we add the powers. So let's simplify numerator and denominator. So it is 5 raised to 15 plus 2 divided by, here it will be 5 raised to 3 plus 3. So this will be equal to 5 raised to 17 divided by 5 raised to 6. So now we have same base divided. So what do? You take 6 to the numerator because 17 is bigger than the 6. So say take 6 to the numerator. So it will become 5 raised to 17 minus 6, which will be 5 raised to 11. I hope these examples gave you a brief idea as to how to solve exponents. Again we'll solve few more complicated problems out of this, and we'll see how to apply these laws. Okay, this time we'll see a little bit complicated problems wherein we have different bases. Okay, in any case if the bases are same, you can apply the laws, whatever laws we have studied till now. So let's first simplify the powers which are in the form a raised to m whole raised to n. So let's simplify this one first. So it is 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 4. So 2 raised to, this will become a raised to m whole raised to n, which is a raised to m into n. So this will become 2 raised to 3 into 4, which will be 12, and remaining terms I'll keep it as it is. So it is 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to, so it is 3 raised to 2, which will be 3 into 2. So into 2 raised to 15 as it is. So let's simplify this one further. So this is 12. So this is 2 raised to 12 into 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 15. Okay. Alright. So let's see this one. Now I have 2 bases here, 2 and 3. So if you see, 2 bases are here. These are the 3 terms with 2 as the base, and 3 as the base. You have 2 terms. So let's simplify this one. So let's simplify the numerator first with 2 as the base. So a raised to m into a raised to n, which will be a raised to m plus n. So if we apply that, you will get 2 raised to 12 plus 6, which will be 18, into this 3 raised to 5, I will keep it as it is, divided by 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 15. So now if you see again, I have two bases, two same bases, 2 and 2, which are divided. So we will get this 15 above because 18 is bigger than 15. So by a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is a raised to m minus n. So that will become 2 raised to 18 minus 15. Now let us see this one. So this is 3 raised to 6 and this is 3 raised to 5. Again same base but different powers, but 6 is greater than 5. So in this case you bring 5 down to the denominator. So this is divided by 3 raised to 6 minus 5. So finally the answer will be 2 raised to 18 minus 5, which will be 3, divided by 3 raised to 6 minus 5, which will be 1. So the answer is 2 raised to 3 divided by 3. So let's see this one. So here I have included some algebraic terms as well. Nothing complicated, same thing. In the place of 2, 3 or 4, I have put t and x. Exactly same thing, nothing differs. Okay, again let's solve, same thing. So 5 raised to 3 whole raised to 15. So can be written as 5 raised to 3 into 15. Correct? Into t raised to 6 as it is, I will keep it as it is, into x raised to 3 as it is, divided by 5 raised to 2 into 2. So this becomes 2 into 2 into t raised to 2 whole raised to 3. This will become t raised to 2 into 3. So let's simplify this further. 5 raised to 3 into 15, which will be 5 raised to 45 into t raised to 6 into x raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 6. Alright, so let's apply the division for law. So here I have 5 as the common base here and they are divided. So we have to take the power above. So 4 when taken above, it becomes 5 raised to 45 minus 4. Here 6 and 6 both are same. You can take it either 6 below or 6 above, it does not matter. It will be t raised to 6 minus 6. And for x there are no other common bases, that x remains as it is. So it will be into x cube as it is. So 5 raised to 45 minus 4, which will be 5 raised to 41, into t raised to 6 minus 6, which will be t raised to 0, into x raised to 3 as it is. Anything raised to 0 we have studied, this is 1. So this becomes 5 raised to 41 into x cube. So this will be your final answer. So I hope this gave you insight as to how to do these problems.